Many organizations have embarked on a digital transformation journey, but they have not always achieved the results they envisioned. According to a 2019 survey, companies that employed agile ways of working were more likely to be successful with their digital transformation than companies that did not. However, we know from studies of companies like Lego, GE, and Nokia that the implementation of agile requires major organizational and cultural changes. Agile, with its principles of experimentation, risk-taking, speed, and responsiveness to change, stands in stark contrast to strict processes, rules, and management practices typical of large organizations. When companies seek to implement agile approaches, these approaches often clash with existing traditions.
Today there are still contraposing perspectives of how agile should be implemented, and we lack clear guidelines on how this process, which may take years, should be managed most efficiently.
In a recent 2-year study of a world-leading manufacturer that embarked on its digital transformation, the study shows how the company was able to successfully achieve a large-scale agile implementation through a mix of top-down and bottom-up approaches. By adapting to the specific situations and needs in the organization, the company iteratively articulated and re-articulated agile to incorporate numerous local ideas and to address emerging challenges as the organization was learning more about agile. The study presents a framework for managing organization-wide agile implementations that recommends managers view such implementation as an ongoing process of adaptation, of undertaking a stepwise transformation, of enabling effective intra- and inter-team processes, and of managing the interplay between agile and digital transformation. Organizations should therefore avoid rigorously implementing standardized agile methodologies and instead experiment and adapt with approaches that are appropriate for the organization. This will give organizational members the needed time to adapt to change, to make sense of agile, and thereby to get a greater sense of ownership for the transformation and thus obtain a more organic and sustainable implementation of agile over time. To learn more, read Embarking on a Business Agility Journey, Balancing Autonomy versus Control in California Management Review, Volume 65, Issue 4.